If you're looking for a super comfortable blow-up mattress, you are absolutely going to love this. I wouldn't even call this a blow-up mattress because it's actually a bed. The brand did some of this so I could do this review. So this is what it looks like fully inflated. I did sleep on this the other night and this is just super comfortable. You can easily go side to side just like this. And I'm going to give you a preview of exactly how to set this up. All right, this is what it looks like exactly out of the box. This was wrapped with a little plastic, but other than that, we are good to go. Got the zipper here. We got wheels here. So this is how it's going to store. So very, very minimal, not too big at all, which is really nice. All right, this is what it looks like when we open the case that it is in, which is nice. What we're going to do is we're going to open this up just like this and pull this back. And I'm going to show you exactly how to inflate it. It is really cool. All right, this is what it kind of looks like pulled out. The very cool thing about this, you don't need a vac, you don't need anything. So basically what you're gonna do here is you're gonna come down here. This does come with a charger, so you could charge this. So all you have to do here is we're gonna turn this to inflate. Now it will take about 3 to 4 minutes to inflate, but this is all you have to do. Lock it like that, and it's gonna start going just like that. And it is super, super simple. All right, this is what the total bed looks like inflated. This is so comfortable. Actually, you could see here, nice and firm, which I like. It's literally like being on a regular bed because you could see under here, it's basically on like a frame for you. So really, really nice, super easy to blow up. I absolutely love this thing. I remember when we were younger, we always used to have, you know, a vacuum and all this other stuff, but this, you literally just turn it to the left to inflate, to the right to deflate. It holds air a lot. If you're looking for a great air mattress, I wouldn't even call this an air mattress. It's more like a bed. Definitely check this out.